Hey there, friends. Today, we're going to talk about a fantastic high-protein breakfast that can help you lose 10 kilos in no time. Let's dive right in. So, you're looking to shed those extra pounds and get back into shape? Well, let me tell you, there's no better way to kickstart your weight loss journey than with a high-protein breakfast. Trust me, it's the secret to losing 10 kilos in no time. Now, I know what you're thinking. How can I possibly eat a high-protein breakfast every day? Well, I've got a delicious and easy recipe for you. All you need is some eggs, cheese, and a few other ingredients. Trust me, it's a game changer. Our recipe features a mouth-watering combination of protein-packed ingredients, including eggs, chicken, and cottage cheese. Not only is this breakfast super tasty, but it's also packed with essential nutrients to keep you energized throughout the day. So, let's dive right in. For breakfast, we've got a scrumptious omelet packed with protein-rich ingredients like eggs, chicken, and cheese. This meal is not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients that your body needs. Tear this omelet with a side of whole wheat toast and a glass of freshly squeezed orange juice, and you've got yourself a well-balanced breakfast that will keep you energized and on track to reach your weight loss goals. We've put together a simple step-by-step guide to help you whip up this delicious breakfast in no time. Just follow our instructions, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your weight loss goals. Remember, consistency is key, so make sure to stick to this breakfast plan for at least 10 days to see the best results. So, why not give it a try? Start your day with this high-protein breakfast, and watch those kilos melt away. Remember, it's all about making small, healthy changes to your diet. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more health and fitness tips. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.